AP baro shakathub Khuborjylla ka donbosco media network. Kimat kiba kongsan menta ka singi kilong ni ikipat ba hakarali penrem ya ka jing penyap ya ka darisha bat ikon. Lap ka FKJGP thenli ka office rambrai siana di blok. Rakhi kemen ki kemi ki kpa haka golden jubilee ka St. Peter's dangal. Ban Shongshit ke annual sports ka school St. Peter's Namustan. Pak mentang ini apai shki Khubor ki bakambanya. Daki hajar mi ki pat ba na langtor bat na kishnong ba marjan ban yat rali penrem jur ya kajing sya penyap pasirkai jangka kong darisha lengdo kenshi arpun ris nam kerta bat ikhun ibadang ar benai. Ya ki met yap kini ki shikmi shikhun lalap daki rang ba kashnong langtor haka step ar tarik LBER ki bala sya pedem haka pung pelang umdi kabadan haka ni hi kashnong. Nakaliang kador barsnong langtor rengkat ke jenis nok tilang bat ka Meghalaya Asha Workers Union ki kunhun seng bhalang bapher na Eastern West Khasi Hills District ki nong hikai ki khna school na ki school bapher bat ki pat ba na ki shnong ba marjan haka khatway tarik LBER ar hajar arpusan kira penlong de ka peace rally ban penrem jur yakate ka jingja bas ngautrim yakane ka rally la sedang na shnong kroba bat penkut hamadan shnong langtor hakaba ki long kumi long kpa ki Samla bat ki khna school ki pertajam ban penrem ya ki nong le baman ki bala suba ba ki la penyap dusmon ya ka kemi bat ikhun jongka ki pat ba ki la perta bat kaang de ki sur ki bajam sheki bor jongka ain ban tokit ban kemardor bat ban penshitom ki runar ki badan kiti hakane ka kampo rati la penlong ru e ka jingelang balengkot hamadan langtor bala penyat ka dor barsnong langtor ka President Meghalaya Asha Workers Union kong Mira John Mersing kala aya ka jingkren bat kumjuru kinong yalam na kiseng bhalang iba kontop ya ka HYC HANM HNYF KSU bat FKJGP kila kran halor kane ka jingja pas ngausi kila kentu bat kerpa de ki bor jangkaan ban tokit kloilan ya kane ka jingja bat bantian bishar ya ki runar katkum ki kendon an ki bayade bat kane ka kampo jan Nakaliang ka kur bat ki bahaying ki balapan pa yang jing ngosi halor kan ka jingja bat dawa na katanat pulit Eastern West Khasi Hills ban penmi kloy ya ka postmortem report bat ban penshitom ya kitu ki badan kti ha kan ka kampen ya brio
Nakar pad efi ba pin so bha banom smo e habang ya kran bat i ong ba ila don kon ikon ila don arbalai bat nakaliang jakayen ka sem ki ong nila yo ya kan legal notice kabangi hat ban le DNA test ban penting kenal lani ban identify mana mana ku pa jadi kulung ngaso ban no hakan gapor hatta ki kan thai ka si jami ki la bodor hado kata bangi ha ban la ya ka DNA test habangi tak nei para kasi hatongin soto ya ka tin tele bani kran lani hatongin la ban penmen ya kata kantang da ka tin ka bani ya kran ni don taman le DNA test ko ki parla kan thai ki badal ha kane ki jaka hatta fi so bunjur bala da ja ko ki ne ki kam ya fi nin ha ban ya le DNA test lot bara bunjur ki kan thai kasi juni kim badai ki bapo hado kata ki ban imlingkar ki ban lingkar tang ban identify mano badai ukpa ni ha ban le ya ka DNA test wala yoro ban pule ya ka legal notice ka ba iye kong darisha lindo akan si yo ha ban le ya ka DNA test na kan yang jek ka Meghalaya Asha Workers Union ni penram hidro habat nong ta ya ka legal notice Nomor balay, ni dang day ki jo ki sa kanriyo. Ni dang soto, ya kaktian ka tilit. Kabanya keren, ha kabiya day bat kanek kam. Dia nakaliang ka jongi, jong ka Meghalaya Asha Workers hi. Ni penram jor ya kinay kiriw trang senam. Kiriw dusman, nasnaw banong. Ba kinay kilatay ki marat klaw kan siya ki bom don show ka jing so brew, watang kan diabro. Ki bakloy ban siya mi ka ban simbrew ka bakordor. Klem don ke jing song san ai nakalian ke jongi ngi penram jore kini bat ngi snow ban ong ban ka padia ko police department ka badai ban pit na ka banta kini ki kam bakan song ha ban sim kia ba kam dei ban pensalam ndai ka dei ban wat mardor mano padon kti na marngem tip mano ban peniap bat kat no ngut ki dong peniap kislo ban ong bakide ban sim kya mardor ban wat jiktip lane ban yo kya mardor ya baro khat ki badon khti na ka banta ka ni jing ja ban ay ka jing bisar ka ba ho da ka ba pensa ja ye ki nong le kam sliu da ka ba set photok e ki shi ju no aso ban ong na ka liang jong hi baro khat ki badon lang ha ka ne ka por ka jing wan ka jong hi ban ya jara li ham ne kam dei ka jing kot kam dei ka bangi sia jara li nam dei ban ngin pun kot dak ne Henry ka snow ban ong ba tong ni snow ktilang bangin ong ba kanay kajing ya jarali kadang day tang kajing sedang kan bai kong let dari shaling do impat yo ya kajing ki bishar ka bahok ini ay ktilang rengkar ban ki bahaya hasam rengkar ban ka sinok ka thau ngin ya senrani ki tat hadu bakin de yo ya kajing bishar ka ba de yo
Kinoyalam Kaseng Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo People FKJGP Ramrai Circle haka khatway the LBER kila let jurip ya ka Ramrai CNRD block hadin ba ki de khojang Kaseng kila yo pediang ya ki jing u jing nam jong ki pat ba ka than halor ka jing bam patre kam tikna jong ka ni ka office haka jing jurip lalap haka ni ka sngi amdon tang uway ni ka way ru ka nong tre ka pa poi sha office haka jubab RTI na kani ka office laya thu kidan tang ringut kinong train na kabanta ki operator jaga scheme MGNREGA but PMAYG handrai kini ru kidan tang haka register ha office trekam President FKJGP Ramrai Circle ba Justarlan Lengkhoi ulaong ba kumba ka pau kani ka office block Ramrai kadon kinong tre tang haka register handrai ha office kemdon ulaong ru UBDO bapura ru umdon nalor ka building ru kampat don ka bapura Kinoyalam Kaseng kidawa na kasorkar ban thungno ya UBDO bapura bat kumju ban shnano ya ka building na kabanta ka Ramrai CNRD block khnang bakipad ba ka dong ka thain kin yo ya kijingdon kam kumba yo lem kiwe kishnong kibadon ki CNRD block
Tenagaliang jo Kaseng ile song perkhat ban ngilawat limba ka RTI ka right to information ba ka block hato ka don sisan em kumba ka sorkar ka ban pli how to snam dan rei lemba ka jinglop jungi lemba ka RTI NEHU hande ba UBDO ompat syamodon rei kidon tam kine kinong trei jang ka badepe ya ka MGNREGA ba ka PMYG ka badai jo kide ki circle ki santri ki circle ba karshai ka maudo ka mauther ka mauli ba ka maudat Ramrai ba NEHU hande ba kinong trei kidon Nraya ba yadai berkena tentang kasih nilai yo ban hiar. Saya kata ka Ramrai CNRD block nrai NEHU ba tuli ba sudah om Samla donai tenagaliang jungi kaseng ni kentu eki ba sarkar bahang wan beli akan ka block nimdai ban chu wan ban pendek kai ki ba nrai baka block kadai galat kumno bane kentu limba ki ba bagi officer nagam ta ka roi ka parah kinong kendong Bane jam nagliang ka sarkar ba kipai ba khnang ba kipai ba jo ka dong ka than Ramrai kum ba kilak kamen ladap ka jing kamen atau ajar aku arak por wan pli limba uchip minister badon guram nrai menta ba kidap ka jing susi ba jing lingo ba ki wan ban wat ia kita ginom trai agar Ramrai sini block kum ba kilang nut handrai om Samla dan tenliang ka sengi kentu jo re ka gibar sarkar Khamtam menta kana don ka assembly ba khamtam MLA jo ka than ba un bidin un yai budin ba hadu ba kana ka Ramrai sini block badayo ya ka building ya ka manpuar ba de dinong trai khnang ba ki pai ba jo ka dong ka than Ramrai tin yo lam ne jingman toy kom ba yo ki wei ki jaga ki than hapo jong ka Jylla
haka shipau tarik LBER lapli perdaya ka Golden Jubilee jangka School St. Peter's Higher Secondary School Dangar da Ukongsan Most Reverend Victor Lindo Archbishop Shillong Archdiocese kadbau Reverend Padar Dr. Joseph Mapila Brambil CMF Provincial Kaseng Clarishan Province Northeast India ulalong usambut kongsan hakani ka program lekaman hakani ka sngi pli ladon langru ki Lindo bat ki reuniam na ki mission bamarjan Lapan shingan, daga jinga dan lang ki officer na kita nak terekam ke sorkar Meghalaya, kinong kit kam shnong, kinong hikai bat ki kena skol, bat bung lumbung ki kmi ki kpa jong ki kena skol. U principal kani ka skol, Reverend Padar James Anthony Mawa, ula batay lengkot ya ka history bat ka jinya lenti jom kani ka skul haki sanpo snam balalet no. Lapan pu penpieng ya kani ka sngi deki program babunjat ki bala penjau dur bat penjat thait ya ki jabieng bat do nur jong ki palba ki balayo I ya ki jing tebet jong ki khana kani ka skul. Ki kemi ki kpa ki bala sakhi ya laki khon haki program bapher ki la lang umat daka jingkmen hakani ka sngi lingku sanpo snam ka skul St. Peter's Dangar. Uba Regional Kharkongor MCS BDO Maushin Road CNRD Block ulalong ukong san ban play ka 47th Annual School Sports jong ka St. Peter's High Secondary School Noston haka khatway tarik LBER. Haka jingkran play uba regional ula kentu ki khana school ban shimbanta haki jinga le kai khnang ban penklan ya ka met ba ka bor perkhat ki ban yarap shushu haki jing puli jongki. Ula penpau ka jing kemen ban don banta haka jing play ka school sport. Ula yaro ekinong penyat school bat ekinong hikai ki bala play ki lat ki lenti nak ka banta ki khana school ban penmi bat saya la ki sap ki phong hamadan ya le kai. Ula kentu ki khana school ban long ki bas ngoret ki ba kut jing mut triang ban poi shaka thong jing job ha ki jing ya khun jongki. Ula pen kan mau ru eki khana school ban long barabor ki ba ko ngu bat ki ba bat eki kendon jong ki jing ya le kai. Ula ong kinong hikai ki long ki kmi ki kpa ha ki kamra school de ban buram ban ko ngu ya ki man kapur. Ula pen kut da ka ba ong bat lakam ya ka jing dom jing bitar bat jing meng haba pidan hamadan ya le kai. Reverend Padar Marius Thong di ba rector ula ai ka jingkran ba koridor kapaya dei ba ka jing shimbenta ha ki jing le kai na markiwan ra ya ka jing ko jing khia ha ka jing long briu man briu.
Demonstrating exemplary leadership and unwavering command is our parade commander, Livingstone. Now in perfect formation, the Blue House's first platoon enters, commanded by Abayan Lakshmi, with Jonathan McCoy marching behind, bearing their flag with immense pride. Stepping forward, the Blue Houses is Jonathan with a striking display of discipline and power. Will George Termiang commands the second platoon of the greenhouse with precision. Now making their way forward in perfect synchrony, the third platoon of Blue House enters under steadfast leadership of Menda Jotlang Mauson. Exuding confidence and strength, the third platoon of Yellow House is led by the remarkable Fatima Yao Miao.
Uba bat hok nong bali utrai kedukan bang balatip kum ka jadhi hakajan mit chipau trik LBER ula plepat saya ka wei ka jaka ya lek kai futsal na ka benta ban kilan met ki khun samla bat ki riu rang ba jong ka than nong po bat kishnong ki ba par marjan kate ka jaka ya lek kai futsal ka don hamau diang marjan per kedukan bang ya kane kamadan futsal ula jer kerteng da ka rumen futsal ground. Uba bat hok ulaya thu ka jingkmu ban wanra ya kani ka madan ya le kai markhap ka sornong po kalong ban aila de ki khun samla ki ri rang ba kan thei bat chenrang ban yo ya ka jaka kilan met ka bajan kani ka jaka ya le kai marjan ber ka sornong po kan pensuk ru ya ka let kawan jong kinong ya le kai
to nakaliang jungang pau na kong disu breaking that bu thau bo funyo ikini kalat ya ka bingela ban di kene ka rumen futsal ground mandaka smi Pau dia semua iba Meralbon, Samla dan Khuborjylla belah Khubor, ban kli keneka madan nilai kai keneka sui. Bat nakaliang ke jugi, nakaliang ke jugi kayang gasem, di berpau ke jing sukumen. Bah lepas ke jingi ke jong bleng yo ikalat ban kli keneka madan yo ikalat leti ban snaika. Bat ni kermen balang bah juga keneka sui yo ban ai ke jing nilai kai ki kun Samla juga keneka dong katang ke jungi bat kamtam. Ban kena poi sikit jing blend kesleu bat bayar abu ke kuat ke kia. Boleh sebut. Akan ni Khubor ngidap lagi sukumen ke bawah, bandan rekat akan ni jaka begini kaya ke futsal, ke balatip ke rumen futsal ground hang ni mau ding ya ke long try dari bat hop normally lembat kaying ngesem di jong borok jadi dan rekat di pun ngidap sukumen ke bawah ba ki riurang ba ki badan ke bensim ban kentiu ya ki kami lekai ban li kum kini ki caka abi kun Samla jong kadong ke thang ni kini yo ban wan ban kun Khubor hang ni ban ye lekai na ka benta ka jing ka kot ke khia nam ban fitness jong ban kum ju ru na ka benta kum no ban kentiu ki kami lekai sport tengah ai kublei na ka benta ba ban hop wi ne ki nong tri kam la jong jong ne kadong ke thang ni badan ni kini bensim ban bu ya kene ke futsal akan ni jaka apa Shillong mau dia bat ni so komen ru ba haga jing persang ban budin ni kam ba pher ru ni I ba gadong ka than ni kala nanti nang tri kam la jong jana nang kiu nang Khubor bat ni kentu ba kiwi ki parlok ru bakin nang iyo mensim jusu ban nang la ban nang yarap nang ta kum no ban kintiu yang kun Samla kum unong mikmat yang ni gadong ka than ru ini terkan ban penting kena bagi
MLA ka Shillong North ba LBER nong rum ulabu jingkali hayeng dorbar halor ka jingbam terekam shu jon ki sab huwei tili ki self help group ki badon hasor shwa kane usembut menteri rangba habajuba halor ka jingkali ulayathu bakidon hadu sanspa shipho tili ki self help group balathaw hasor radu usnam ahjar khatsaw batna kini hadu sab huwei tili ki klem la ban terekam ulong ru bana kalian ka sarkar ka bud den ban kentu eki ban pen embiang ya ka group jongki Nakaliang Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma ulaong ba hanong kendong ki self help group ki trekam ba batang hagini ki khendiat snam ka jingkiu kalong ka bastet ba
supplementary may I know from honorable minister through you Mr. Speaker sir whether this amount sanctioned in the urban self help group is the same with the rural self help group.
Mr. Speaker, it's not the same. In urban, we give 10,000 rupees. So this rural is not pertaining to urban, so but it's not the same. It seems maybe 2,500 or something for the rural. So I'm not very sure. Because deal with the CNRD department. But for urban, it's 10,000 as a startup funds, revolving funds, and for rural, it seems 2,500 something, more or less.
Mr. Speaker, sir. As per my knowledge, why there is a disparity between these two in the same state, although we belong. As per information, just to share in this Agos house, compare the rural area self-help group. Startup rupees 2,500, revolving fund rupees 10,000. And number 3, CIF means Community Investment Fund, that is 1,10,000. So whereas comparing with the urban self-help group, they are getting only 10,000. I will not accept what the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister mentioned that it is not the fault from the government, it is the fault from the SHA group. May I get a clarification?
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm happy to inform the honourable member. Yes, it's a fact 10,000 is too less, but
Menteri Ketenat Revenue and Disaster Management Bakar Shillong ula pentip hayeng dorbar bagi dan hadu arpu pratali kilong yeng ki basyakta nak jingshlei hada dengre CNR di blok house 6R hajar arpu saw. Haba jubab halor ke jingkeli bawan ra adu MLA ke dengre rupa M Marak Menteri ulayat huru ba halor kane nakaliang ke sorkar kilapan poye kilat jingarap syakitu ki basyakta. Menteri Rangba haba benrap lang ula pentip ru baka sorkar kala shem ki senjam nak benta bante lakam ya ka jingshlei
Come to my knowledge that livestock were also lost during the flood. So it was my question was very much related to the principal question. I asked about the flood affected households. So those households may have the livestock also, and I also put another question. Another question was also there, whether people were displaced or not.
Sir, livestock, as I've said, we don't have the information because as per the DC report, we have not received anything when it comes to livestock. So that's why I answered. My answer is no, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, it shows that the department has not done a proper assessment of the damage of the flood. I'll go to another supplementary questions. Whether any financial assistance has been provided to the affected families or not?
It's provided in kind, sir, not in cash.
So may I know from the minister in charge, what is the exact amount provided to the affected households as financial assistance?
Sir, I have mentioned we have not provided financial assistance, but we have provided in kind, and the details has been laid in table of the house, sir. The materials all in kinds.
I thank the minister in charge. I would also like to know whether government is taking any measures to minimize the effect of the flood in future in those areas.
Yes, sir. Actually, the government is on the pipeline. Now we'll come out with an online reporting system. This will be benefited to all the affected person or the district. It'll speed up all the matters, sir. So in a matters of few days, maybe a month, sir, we'll come out with a.
Menteri Rangba Jylla Konrad K Sangma ula pentip bagi bu thong man sedang no eka Science and Commerce College mau plang bat kumju eka Science and Commerce College ba Sapara Mahendraganj nadu kani ke samoy nagabenta ka jingmentoy jongki Samla puli. Habaju bab halor ka jingkili bawanra adu unong yalam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma na kaliang Menteri Rangba ula pentip ru ba watla ka jingtre yaki wei ki benta kadang yad hendrei ki kwa baka kelas kan yad no namar lada ab hadu usnamanwan ka jingdu kandai yaki Samla puli. Haswa jongkani Menteri Ketenat Puli Puthi rakam e Sangma ula pentip baga jing pentrei yakini ki jaka puli kilayat stat bha bat kim slam shu ban pendam.
Sapara Mahendraganj is as per below, sir. So the project is being implemented by PWD building. So the overall progress is 66%. So the residual date for completion of the project is March 2026, sir. Number 4, the government has conveyed the approval of 46.4, sir. So number 5, the plan and estimate for external power supply and external water supply connection and approach road are under process, sir. Number B, so the total amount of money sanctioned by the government of India for the project Science and Commerce College Moplang is 36.55 crore, which was released on 30/6/2017 with a funding pattern 90:10, sir. So the total amount released by the government of India for the project is 31.1685 crore. So the token money amounting to rupees 10 lakhs was released on 30/6/2017. So first installment amounting to 11 crore 06 crore was released on 1/11/18, sir. So second installment amounting to 11.501 crore was released on 27/1/2024, sir. Third installment amounting to 8.5075 crore was released on 8/10/2024. Sir, B, the total amount of sanctioned where the Government of India for the project Science and Commerce College, Bosco Girls is 36.31 crore on, which was released on 36/2017 with a funding pattern of 90:10 ratio. So the total amount released by the Government of India for the project is 23.5274 crore. So number one, the token money amounting to 10 lakhs was released on 26/17. First installment amounting to 12.1 crore was released on 28/9/17. So second installment amounting to 18.027 crore was released on 25/4/23. However, during the financial year 23 and 24, the implementing agency utilized only 1.66 crore and the partial UC was submitted on 26/4/2024. The unutilized amount 6.
Haka kharway tarik LBER kinong yalam kaseng FKJGP Ranikor Circle haka jing yalam uba abalse kharbani working president bat uba tenam nong tenger general secretary kilalit ban jurip eka civil subdivision Ranikor. Haka ni kajing let jurip kaseng kraya kendu ya uba KL Kenjing SDO Ranikor civil subdivision. Haka ni kajing jurip kaseng kelalap buon kijing duna kiba kentup ya ka registration branch, supply branch, revenue branch, excise branch, develop branch, management branch, public felicitation center branch, ka judicial branch bat ka Nazarat branch. Kini kita nak kilong ki badon kam hadu kata-kata na ka benta ki padba ki ba wandon kam bat ki badon ka jinga day ha ki jinga rap ya ki padba. Kumta kinong yalam jaga seng ki lapan pau ka jing sngo khia bat ka jing sngo benyau ya ki jing duna ha ka ne ka office padba. Kini kinong yalam ka seng kila kentu bat karpa de ki bor ki ba pet bakmi e Ranikor civil subdivision ban penbiang ya kinong tre kenang baki pat ba anak ni ka than kinong do e ya ka jing rap ba bunjat ba ka sarkar ka ai shi ki pat ba khamtam ya kinong kendong hakiwe ki office SDO civil kini kitnat ki tre kam bha pat ki rap shi ka dei e ya ki pat ba ki ba wan na kinong kendong kila kentu ban pen em ya ka ni ka office da ki kam tang hakikot ki sla ha office
ilap sibun ki jituna kane apa subscription jungi wala kade subscription jungi minta rakyat nyosnem rakyat ni kade ka subscription yang bau ship musta pada borong jungi kurak sama ada ndang le poi padang dei ni lap sibun ki jituna bang padon ne nado ka registration brand minta ka supply brand ka revenue brand ka excise brand ka development brand digital brand public facility center judicial branch bat karena serang ban kong kini ki pratli ki branch pador ne klong ki do ka kraw ko ba kamtam tuka supply ki ba habiat ki ba sandru thousand kentai ban let you supply ani kindu kita berdiri baik supply tidak ada kadon ne klong ki mentoi nam ta ko ba bat kamtam ya ka excise department on sha ki wi ki civil solution la don ngale bandang excise department baba kumalo menta keyboard ki illegal mo berarti kini ki papen buat kami Samla dalam baca dor ke exercise ban segala orang jadi mentoi ni yang kini Shillong yang kena katai ke jungi mat diserta kumi kini buat undang menen ro hanong nak kami sia gawe jing puluk mo buding diserta management padon aing sia ke bentor kita diserta management jus sabar padon tikum ke kum ketinggalan sekti pun ki tuna jadi keseng ka ketu ya ka sokar membau chip musta bodong borom membau lawan plihi balaya minta news nam un sobha mun penbiang ya kini ki induna ke badan apa subscription ke jungi padna kali ngaseng lo ha kini lihat sih kan salai kan do UCM bandawa ya kini mat padon ane po subscription ini amang ngimpa ba pan Shillong tang ka frame ring kwa ba sen ladon kia office kali mendon borok ki bang tang long ke mentoi namta kinong Shillong ki bahap ko instruction yo kene civil solution ini mat khbade pat building pang le kran man for menshwa ladon ka we ki ai nak liang musim nangte malang ren tu bermar kading don kading hura menta pat leyo pat ka we ka ka babiang belum don kading hura re do menta pat ya ka building pat station e tenak liang ding ketu ya rasol karba namata office balayo ka ka babiang subha mentoi le station menstano nam bentuk kinong tre ko
Badik itu ki Khubor ng lapoy sa kabakod, tarahado bangin daya siyambiyang Khublay Shibon.